Hey guys, this is Mr. Marriott, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your website using Weebly, and this is going to be a website to promote our mobile device. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to Weebly.com. Now when I get to Weebly, I have the option to log in or sign up. I can use my Facebook account, I can use my Google account, or I can create a new account right there. Now in this case, I'm going to sign up for a new account. So let's do that. I'm going to try using Google. Then I'll get a message that I need to connect Google and Weebly together, so I just press the blue button. And just wait for that. And then once I'm in, I should be able to create a website, so click this one. Then choose a theme. Remember, you can change the theme later if you're not happy with it, so in this case I'm going to pick maybe this one. That I'm going to use to access my website, so I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it, just call it Marriott Phone. So this is going to be my company name or my phone name. You can put something like, 2T Team 10 or something, doesn't really matter. Just make sure that the website is available and click Continue. Now, your website is right here, so we can start building. Very simple. We could say let's say my product is called the Universe Phone. So we're going to label it accordingly. So I'm just pretending that I'm promoting a phone called Universe Phone. So just keep updating the page. I wanted to change that, make it a little better. I can make it bold, make it italic, make it underline. I think I'll just leave it like that. But you can also have the option to make it big or make it small. So we'll just keep it like that. We might use a different color, maybe a purple color. This background, don't really like it that much. So we can press Edit Image and we'll change the background to something else. You can choose your own background if you want. If you want to upload your own photo or your own picture, that's fine. But for this example, I'm just going to use one of the sample pictures. So let's say I'm going to use, we want something a little bright. So we'll pick, let's see, maybe, I don't know, we'll try that one. You can actually preview what it looks like. So you've got that. We'll try this one. All right, there you go. Welcome to our Universe Phone, the greatest phone there is. And then we're going to save the picture. So you click the Save button. Now you're back in the edit mode. Now, what can we do next? Let's see. I am going to put a picture of the phone. So I'm going to set up a layout. So how I'm going to do it, I'm going to take an image box, put it there. And I'm going to have a title at the top and some words on the side, so just over there. There you go. Now you can see. Now, if I want to put my picture, I just click the box. I have a picture on my desktop for a Universe Phone. We'll just pretend that this is the phone that I've designed. I'm just borrowing this from the internet, but I'm just using it as an example. So I'm going to write the title. And then just write a description. So this is the perfect phone for the average person. Once you buy this phone, you'll never want another phone again. Choose the Universe. choose the universe phone. No, I'm just making this up. All right. Now we can make it bold, we can make it big, we can make it small. So you just pick the font that you think looks the best. I think that looks okay. So far, that looks all right. If it's going to be called the universe phone, let's have a picture of the universe. So Google Images, we'll just pick any picture. We'll take this one and just wait for it to load. Okay, now copy the link at the top. Then we'll change the image, go to Edit Image, and we'll change it. We'll upload image, URL, Control V, insert, and just wait and see what happens. Okay, that's good. But you'll notice that you can't actually read the text because of the colors not very good. So we might make this white. So let's highlight that. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it could be better, but maybe we can fix that later. All right, anyway. So that's what the website looks like. Now, if I want to add some team members to my website so we can have more people working on the website, maybe each person works on a different web page, like say about, contact, home, or they can even make additional pages. What you can do is this. You go to Settings, right? And then you go to Editors. And these are the people that are going to be working on your website. So what you do is you click Editors, you go to Add Editor. You put in the email of the person. Let's say I'm going to put in my teacher's email. So write a message at the bottom. And then click Save Editor. All right, and then this user has to go to his or her email in Google and click the link, and they should be able to work on the website. Okay. We're going to go back to the website. At the moment, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 pages. The home page is the page that you see when you load the website for the first time. Now, if you go to Pages, right, you've got 1, 2, 3 pages. If you want to change the order of these pages, you simply just drag and drop. So you can put contact in the middle, right? See, now contact is in the middle. Let's click back to home. There you go. So in this case, we want contact back at the end. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some more pages. Now I'm going to create a page. It's going to be called Universe Phone. All right. And save that. Now you'll see that there's Universe Phone. We want to move that to maybe the third part. Okay, and then later we'll change this and we'll add more later. But for now, we're going to let's add some more things. So Universe Phone, we're going to add a page inside this page. So we click Standard Page. We're going to say Features. That's the same as functions of a phone. You'll see what I'm going to do in a moment. Right? Pricing. How much is it going to cost? If I buy this phone, if I want to buy this phone, how much is it going to cost? All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take Features and I'm going to put it. Notice the little space here. You'll see what that means in a moment. All right, see that? You've got Universe Phone and you've got Features and Pricing. Now, what does that do? Well, what you do is you go to Universe Phone, right? You see that? All right, that's basically what it is. So you can click on Features and you've got the Features page right there. I don't know why you can't see the pricing page, but it is there. Anyway, That's pretty much that. So that is your basic page. So you would have to go around and work on it. Just add the information about your mobile device. Just add all the information that you need. You can, play around with the tools, see what each thing does. Right? You can put it on, you can take it off if you like. If you want to change the design, just go to design. You can change the theme to something else. Right? But I am quite happy with this current theme, so that's not a problem. Now let's take another look. Tabs here, and it's actually working now. So now I have a separate page for features and a separate page for pricing. So why don't we edit that? Let's click on features, and we're going to actually title the page. Okay, that's features, and that's pricing. Now, if you want to change the layout of, say, the pricing page, you just choose a layout, and you can choose any one of these layouts that you like. Pick the one that works best for your team. Right? This is actually quite good for the About page. So if you want to introduce your team members, this is a very good page to use, and we'll go back to that. Right now, I'm not going to change the layout of this page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the About page. I'm going to, we'll call it About Us, and we're going to choose the team layout. So there you go. So these are the team members. It's pretty good. So I think you can just, okay, we'll keep that layout. And I think you can just click the separate images, and you can change the images if you want. And down here you can write a description, right? So we are the best mobile device team in the whole of Hong Kong. We care about our customers as well as the quality of your products. Choose the universe. Choose the universe phone. So I'm just making this up. And again, you can make it big. All right, just make sure people can read it. And I think we can change these pictures, so I might just play around with that with my face. And I'm going to use the school website picture as an example. So I'm going to copy the image address. Or I can get a picture off Facebook and just put it on my computer and upload it, so it's not a problem. So let's just try. So if we click Add Images, we're going to find... okay, so I have to actually save it to my computer. I can't just use a link. Okay, fine. So we'll right-click, we'll save the image, we'll save it onto the desktop, and now we'll add the image, so upload, and there's my picture. Let's have a look. Okay, what it's actually done, it's actually deleted all the other photos, but that's okay, it's not a problem. All right, now it says we can have a caption. Let's see what that is. Okay. All right, I think we need some more photos. This is an example. So there's my picture. Let's add another. So we got Arnold Schwarzenegger and John Cena, just as an example. Of course, you can use your real photos. I think you really should use the real photos, but there you go. Right, you see, you can add the photos, and it automatically adjusts the layout. So right, you've got the team right there. Okay, and that is the website. So you've got home. So you've got the Universe phone. You can click About. So you can get some information about the team. If it loads. Features and pricing. That will be done later. Contact, you can put email addresses and all kinds of information. Nothing too personal, just make it pretend or something. All right. Now, if we want to publish this, so we can put this on the internet, we click the Publish button. So orange Publish button. All right, that's the address. Well, actually, we're going to change Marriott phone to Universe phone. And then continue. Yeah, if you get this thing, I know this thing can be a bit annoying sometimes. Just try and copy the words. It's just a protection measure. And now the website is live. So there we go. There is our address. There we go. Wonderful. You can click the About button. All right, there's our team, Universe Phone. Of course, it's not finished yet, so we still need to add some content to these pages, but you get the idea. So I can move around quite easily. The titles are quite clear. And as I've said before, we still have to add some information. And what's really great is when I click Home, notice that the title fades onto the screen, so it looks very professional. So that's great. Okay. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can submit your video onto Teamy. So thank you very much and see you soon.